Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping it into CryptoFlare. We're going to be doing a super quick update, checking out how our account is doing and how we're progressing. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my CryptoFlare account, and apparently it has been 1 month since the last time we were in here. So that was the first video we did. It was 1 month ago, and you can see that a couple of things have already changed. We were on level 1. We are now at level 2, and the nice thing is the next level 3 comes with a 0.1% bonus on top of that. So obviously that is really good. So if we basically just go through our usual things, we have actually managed to build up quite a large amount of sats in our account. Purely, one of the main reasons is because I seem to be doing very well on this faucet. I'm usually getting anywhere between 20 to 70 satoshis per go. I mean, you watch this time, I'll probably get like 1, but yeah, we've been doing really well on this particular one. Okay, so that doesn't help. So here we go. Okay, so we got 11 with 75 XP, but obviously the XP does add to our bar here, which then pushes us up closer to level 3. Now, the usual thing I'll do when I come in here, obviously I don't think I've got any achievements yet. Let's have a look. No, we've not got really any yet. I haven't done oh, here we go. So we can claim that. So that gives us an extra Satoshi. We can claim this one. That gives us 5 Satoshis. That's it. That's what we've got at the moment. I have been doing this a lot more than I was, because obviously in the first video I basically said that I wasn't doing a whole lot with the site, and I was pretty much just relying on the rev share to sort of build up my Satoshis. Well, now obviously I've brought this site to our channel. I feel that I need to, put a bit more of an effort in, because at the end of the day, I can't do update videos and show you how I'm progressing if I'm simply not doing anything on the program or just relying on the rev share. So I have been doing quite a lot more. I've been logging in pretty much every single day, doing the manual claims, doing the PTC ads, short links, all that kind of stuff to really try and push my account forward. And that is obviously also what has added to our Satoshi bank, or sort of building up our Satoshis. Basically, we'll go in here, we'll do the manual claim. So that's going to be it, isn't it? Yeah, claim that. So we got 4 there. Surf the ads. Now, I've not been getting a whole lot of these. Sometimes in the past I've had 4 or 5 of these PTC ads, but recently I've only been getting like 2. So it is, the last week or so I've only been sort of getting 2 daily. So it's been a bit of a letdown in that respect, because obviously we don't get a lot from the PTC ads. Okay, there. And offer walls, as I said in the short links, I'm not going to go through, because obviously Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. So you're sort of fiddling around with that a bit. And I don't want to keep you guys any longer than needs be. Offer walls, I did say in the past that I don't really do them on here purely because most of these offer walls are found in mining blocks, and for me right now mining blocks is more of a priority. So, and if I do these offer walls in here, when I go into mining blocks, it will say, well, you can't do them because you've already done them, and you've already done them, and you've already done them. I've noticed they've removed Monolix from here. In the original video, first video, I think Monolix was there. And then like the day after or a few days later, Monolix has been removed. So I'm not quite sure why that is. Drip offers is really great. I love that. For those of you that are not using it in mining blocks, I love this purely for the reason is it gives you a good amount of PTC ads. So you've got all these PTC ads you can do. But then the short links are, obviously you got 25 of them, but they're so easy. And you can just do all 25 with no hassle, no messing about, will they work, won't they work, none of that. So if you don't use drip offers in mining blocks or you're not connected with mining blocks, use that in here, definitely. It is a real easy way to build up some quick points. Okay, so that's all we're going to do at the moment. So if we go into the rev share now, actually, before I go into that, what I want to do is go into finance and go to withdrawal. There, I've had a couple of people ask me about the minimum withdrawal. I think I did say in the first video I thought it was about 1,000, and then a couple of people have come to me and said, look, it's actually 3,000. But I came back in here, and if you look here, it says C wallet 1,000 satoshis. Faucet Pay, 1,000 satoshis. Payeer, 2,000 satoshis with a 1% fee. Binance is 5,000 satoshis with a 1% fee. CoinX, 5,000 satoshis with a 1% fee. Direct is 5,000 satoshis with a very slight BTC fee. And then Indian Rupee is, you get 1 point. So 5,000 minimum of withdrawal 5,000 satoshis and a 2% fee. So basically, if your C wallet, which I know pretty much all of my American viewers and subscribers can use C wallet. Some American subscribers, and I know it is a real small amount, can use Faucet Pay. So obviously, they will only cost you 1,000 satoshis, and it is free. There is no fee on that. Anything after that, so Payeer, Binance, CoinX, direct to your wallet, and Rupee, there are various fees. But if you can use these two, the minimum's 1,000 satoshis, and it's free. So, like I say, if you're using any of these other ones, just switch over. Like I say, I know for certain pretty much every single US resident can use C wallet, because this is one of the reasons why I brought CryptoFlare to you guys, is because obviously in other videos I have shown the Pro Infinity faucet, and a lot of people have said this is really good, I love it, I love using it, but have you got any other faucets that use C wallet? Because obviously being in America, we can't use Faucet Pay. Like I say, in a very small area, some can, but most can't. In the US, most can't use Faucet Pay. So that is why I brought this to you. So like I say, if you can use either that or that, it's not going to cost you anything in the way of fees, and you only need 1,000 satoshis to make a withdrawal. Okay, so let's drop into the rev share. So if we scroll down, a month ago we had 294 sats invested in here, which is obviously what I've earned on the site and then invested it into the rev share. If we scroll down right now, we have 2,169, and that is what I've managed to build up in the last month. So, I mean, getting close to like 2,000 sats I've built up in the last month. And then we've got 35 here. And we're going to invest that. Okay, so we now have 2,204. So we're only 90 off being at 2,000 sats that we've raised for the month. Here you'll see that I've got, this is my rev share profit. Now, obviously, because it does only require 1,000 sats to make a withdrawal, I could take some of this out and make a withdrawal to show you guys a payment proof, but I'm not going to do that. The reason why I'm not going to do that is because I don't need to do that, because I know numerous people using this site that have made multiple withdrawals. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get to 1,000 sats here, but you have to realize every single day I'm adding 30, 50 or more sats to this active Satoshi investment. So although you're probably looking at it and going, well, in a month you've earned 30 Satoshis, it's going to take you forever to earn 1,000. It's not, because obviously every day I'm adding to that. So therefore the 25% I get from here is increasing every single day. So you'll find that to get to that 1,000 sat will not take you a long time, as long as you keep putting that work in. Obviously today, because we're doing this video, I haven't done my short links, and as I mentioned as well and explained the reason why I don't do offer walls. So obviously once this video ends, I will go through, do my short links, and then that will add more sats to my investment there, again pushing up the size of my profit of that 25% profit. And that is basically what you guys should be doing, because at the end of the day, in life generally, you should be always looking to make your money work for you. So in a situation like this, yes, a lot of people might build up here and they go, oh, you know, I want to make a withdrawal. And so they withdraw this rather than being patient and withdraw that. Because if you withdraw that at 1,000 Satoshis, yeah, then you've got your 1,000 Satoshis, but this is still working. This is still getting you that 25% APR. Whereas if you withdraw this, you're starting all over again. So your account is never really going to get to the point where you're building and earning a lot of coins, because you keep withdrawing the one thing that is really helping you build that profit. So like I say, wait for your profit. Just keep working on the site, keep investing into that rev share, and then basically just take your profit from here. And that means that all your work that you've put into your site is going to be constantly working for you, no matter what you're doing. You know, whether it be something like a high interest bank like savings account or something like that, that money is going to be working, because your initial investment is sitting there, and then you're earning from that, and then you take the profit, but you always leave the initial. Obviously, what you can do is, let's say all of a sudden, because of our basically putting into this rev share every day, all of a sudden it absolutely skyrocketed, and we ended up here at, like, say 1,500 sats, like really quickly. Then what you could do is you take the profit, you withdraw 1,000 sats, and then put the other 500 into your investment down here, because then that's going to basically push how much profit you're getting back a lot faster. It's gonna increase that because you've just added 500 sats. But obviously, like I say, if you get to the point and you've got yourself 1,000 sats, you're like, no, I'm gonna make a withdrawal, then cool. Just withdraw it from there. Don't withdraw it from your investment. Always be looking to make that money work for you. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. If you can smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.